Hey, welcome! If you want to take your photo edits to the next level, mastering the graduated filter in Lightroom is necessary. This tool allows you to gradually adjust exposure, contrast, and colors across specific areas of your image, making it perfect for enhancing skies, balancing lighting, or adding depth to your shots. Whether you're working on landscapes, portraits, or product photography, this simple yet powerful tool can completely transform your images. But before we discuss how it works, let's make sure you have Lightroom installed. If you don't, check out the link in the description. It'll take you to Adobe's official page where you can download the latest version safely. If you're new to Lightroom, here's how to get set up. Sign in or create an Adobe account. If you don't have one, it's quick to set up. Find Lightroom in the Adobe apps list and select free trial to start the download. Install Adobe Creative Cloud, which manages Lightroom and other Adobe apps. Once the installation is complete, launch Lightroom and you're ready to start editing. Now that Lightroom is installed, let's go over how to use the graduated filter to fine-tune your photos and create a more professional look. This tool is perfect for adjusting specific areas of your image without affecting the entire photo. For instance, you can use it to enhance the sky in a landscape photo, balance the lighting in a portrait, or add depth to a product photo. Here's how to use it effectively. Open Lightroom and load a photo you want to edit. Click on the graduated filter tool. It looks like a rectangle with a gradient. Or press M on your keyboard. Click and drag across your image to create a smooth transition effect. This is great for darkening bright skies or adding warmth to the foreground. Adjust the exposure, contrast, saturation, and temperature sliders to refine the effect. Fine-tune the edges using the feather option to make the transition more natural. If you need to remove or adjust areas within the filter, use the brush tool to erase or modify specific sections. This technique is especially useful for landscapes, sunset shots, and any photo where the lighting needs a little extra balance. With a bit of practice, you'll be able to guide the viewer's eye and effortlessly enhance the natural beauty of your shots. Remember, the more you practice, the more natural and professional your edits will look. If you haven't installed Lightroom yet, use the link in the description to get it now. That way, you can access all the latest editing tools, including the graduated filter. If you know someone who wants to improve their photo editing skills, share this video with them. The graduated filter is a simple trick that can make a huge difference in their edits. That's it for today. Have fun experimenting with your edits, and I'll see you in the next one.